Having created the front, I will use this to create the back. I'll just zoom out a little, create a copy of the front, and I'm going to actually reflect the back. Back to my reflect tool, I've just held shift to reflect it. I will bring that back in line with the guideline. So to do that, I've still got the whole back selected and it actually is not grouped. So make sure it's all selected. I'll just rest my mouse on that anchor point and drag it back to the guideline. So now let's prepare this shirt to create the back. I like to just move my collar out of the way. To do that, I like to have my keyboard increments at 10 millimeters. So Command K or Control K will get me to my keyboard increments. I will change them to 10 millimeters and go OK. I'll select the collar, so holding Shift and my black arrow, I select the collar fall. Shift and black arrow again, the collar stand. And now I delete, probably best to do this with my group arrow, so remember that's underneath the direct selection. I delete the lines that I don't need. I don't need that shoulder line. I don't need these darts. And I'm going to arrange and send that sleeve to the back. I'm also going to ungroup the cuff with the placket and regroup it and just move that over to the other side. Again, I will ungroup the shirt and the cuff and move that cuff over to this side. I'll just zoom in and make sure that the cuff is aligned properly. Now it is. It also needs to go to the back, arrange, send to back, as we can see there. And we will align that cuff properly too. This one needs to come to the front, arrange, bring to front, and group. Group. So what you'll see happening here is already we've got the back placket showing through on the back over there. So we need to join these two together. So I will select both of those and go to my Shape Builder tool and just click onto one side and then just drag it all the way across to the other side. What you'll notice has happened at the bottom is we've ended up with a few extra anchor points. I'll just delete a few of those. Direct selection on the other side, and we might just, you'll see what's happened is it's changed the shape a little bit. Don't let that worry you, because as you know, we can come to convert anchor point and then just hold Shift to create that shape at the back. Direct selection, we select that middle anchor point and hold Shift and bring that up, and we'll put in the yoke seam using our line segment tool and Shift all the way across to the other side. So we've got our front shirt, our back shirt, and now we have to create the back collar.